The Radio Yerevan jokes, also known as the Armenian radio jokes, have been popular in the Soviet Union and other countries of the former communist Eastern Bloc since the second half of the 20th century. These jokes of the Q&A type were presumably repeated from the question and answer series of the Armenian radio. A typical format of a joke was, Radio Yerevan was asked, and Radio Yerevan answered. Once established, this introduction became a standard format of most Radio Yerevan jokes. Their further asset was that many were passed from mouth to mouth and improved accordingly over time. Often the first step to an answer was an affirmative phrase, in principle yes, and then followed by a different statement after the famous preposition, but. Examples of differently structured Radio Yerevan jokes include, with the if answer, the Armenian radio was asked, is it possible to enjoy life to the fullest in the Soviet Union? The Armenian radio answered, yes, if you like crowded trains. With the but answer, the Armenian radio was asked, is it good to sleep with an open window? The Armenian radio answered, yes, but with a woman it is better. The Armenian radio was asked, has poet Mayakovsky committed suicide? The Armenian radio answered, we don't know, but his last words were don't shoot, comrades. Within principle, yes, Radio Yerevan was asked, could an atomic bomb destroy the beautiful city of Yerevan? Radio Yerevan answered, in principle, yes. But Moscow is by far a more beautiful city. See also, Public Radio of Armenia, Russian jokes, East German jokes. References